Hey guys, I'm back. I want to talk about Texas Windstorm Insurance Association, known as TWIA, TWIA. It is our insurance of last resort here in Texas for people living within 50 miles of the coast. That is your insurance that you would get if you cannot find a policy, an insurer, an insurance company that would insure you. So Texas Windstorm Insurance Association is a quasi-government agency that's controlled by the Texas Department of Insurance, but our legislature will make rules towards it. And they have made Texas Fair Plan similar in a lot of ways because the employees are shared. So Texas Windstorm Insurance Association has filed revised forms with the Texas Department of Insurance for approval. That's related to the TWIA commercial policies and the TWIA residential policies. They're revising the forms to reflect House Bill 3208. Under the bill, if the insured cancels the policy, TWIA will keep the entire annual premium unless the cancellation was for one of the reasons listed in the bill. So I had to go find the bill to find out what that was. And it says that House Bill 3208 amends the insurance code, the Texas Insurance Code, which is a state statute here, to condition the requirement for the Texas Windstorm Insurance Association, TWIA, to refund the unearned premium to an insured who requests cancellation of insurance coverage on the reasons for the cancellation being one of the following: the purchase of a similar coverage in the voluntary market. For instance, you can cancel TWIA if, say, State Farm or somebody came in and said, we'll provide hail and wind coverage. The sale of the insured property to an unrelated party, meaning I can't go sell it to my son because I want to get my premium back. I have to actually sell it to somebody, a legitimate sale. Total loss of the insured property, which would be, say, a tornado. Unfortunately, that can happen, but a hurricane, a tornado knocks it down and you haven't built it back. So you won't need hail wind coverage because you don't have a house. Not laughing, but it's like that would be the obvious. And then a determination by TWIA that the insured property is no longer insurable under TWIA's rules and procedures. And there are rules and procedures. TWIA had filed bankruptcy after Hurricane Ike, or they went into a receivership. That's what happens. And they changed a lot of their rules on what they would insure, like they won't insure awnings or pool coverings like a Florida room. If you don't get approval by the WP8 or whatever, then you might not have insurance coverage. For instance, every time you change a window, it has to be wind code rated. If you get a garage door, you have to have the wind braces in it. So there are things that TWIA may require of a policy holder that they didn't do, and therefore TWIA says, hey, we're not insuring you. Then you can get your premium back. Stay safe and be prepared.